Hi guys, and in front of me is OPPO Find N2 Flip, and let me show you how to block a number on this device. So at first, open your phone dialer, then choose the contact that you wish to block, tap on More icon, and select Block Numbers. And if you truly want to block this caller, all you have to do is to click on Block. And that's it, that will be all. As you can see here, you've got the blockade icon, and this number will not be able to reach you. Whenever you wish to unblock the caller, tap on More icon again and select Unblock. Confirm it, and that's it. You can also see some general rules. Tap on More icon to do it. Go to Settings then, pick Block Numbers, and here you can block all unknown callers if you wish, smoothly by toggle this indicator. Then you can unmark it the same way, and then you can also add some number manually. Just click on Add a phone number, and here provide the number that you wish to block. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.